Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and we're doing 0 to 10, 0 to 5 tips and tricks for bee swarm. We kind of did that yesterday, but these are like more direct. So, hi Mr. Friend. uh, so, I don't know why I'm like, what do I do? What do I do? Uh, So royal jellies and treats. I know I kind of covered royal jellies and treats last time, but I'm just gonna do something. And I forgot to talk about some things. In here is tunnel bear. I mean, not tunnel bear, king beetle. What? So I, I don't know any. Yeah, but I don't know any codes. Is that even a code? Wait, are those codes? So here's a code. How do you spell buzz? Like that? Like B? Yeah. I've already redeemed it. But buzz is a code B-U-Z-Z. And what else? Wax woof. Wax. Oh, woof. It says invalid promo code. I must have did something wrong. But wax woof is apparently a code I never heard of. Wax woof wax. Wax. So that's a code. But some more tips and tricks. I've already shown this, but if you have watched that video, there's a royal jelly. And there's also a royal jelly up there. Oh, I got up on the with on it. Oh, he's looking nice. Wait, is that his moon charm? Wait, no, that's my moon charm. But is it honey storm right now? It looked weird. And there's also a royal jelly up there on top of the mushroom. But let's go into the 5B zone. I forgot some royal jellies. Like there's one on top of the dandelion. Can't do parkour to get up there like this one. So you have to do all the parkour, but it's harder for me because I have jump boots, so it like bounces me around. So I'm just gonna. Okay, I got up already. So there's a royal jelly if you do the parkour, one right there. But I've already gotten it. And right beside me is the next area. We'll be doing the next video tomorrow. Probably tomorrow. I don't know. And there's always a vicious bee here, but you need so many stingers, it's impossible. Almost impossible. And there's a strawberry right here, if you didn't know. And there's a lot of things I actually forgot to talk about. Can't go up there. That's in like next video actually. Sorry, I blew into the mic. Oh, this right next to the ticket shop. If you come through here, the maze. This is just prizes from the chicken, but you get a ticket this way. I actually don't know where I'm going because the maze is confusing. So I'm just going every direction. Okay, that's not anything there. Wait, did I show this in the other video? I'm not sure. What, you can't get that until the 35 B zone, I think? Oh, there's a jelly bean here. And that's everything in that maze. Is there anything behind Black Bear? Because it looks like it. Like it's that way. And a little tour of the Red HQ quickly. Okay, done. Okay. What? So here's some tips, tricks. When you're like 0 to 5 Bs. Ooh, festive gift. Bees miss cheer. Kind of creepy. Times 2 move speed. Nice. I love move speed. Yeah. What? Like the bears there. I mean, I can never remember his name. King Beetle is there. Yeah, ticket here. You should Oh, and maybe tomorrow on 10 to 15, we'll also do some things for Ant Challenge a bit, because Ant Challenge. Actually, we should do 20 to 25, which is Ant Challenge to 25 pizza, yeah. And there's that oil jelly we talked about. And some more tips and tricks. You should just fight what you can. Fight what you can. As much as you can. So fight this guy I've already killed. Fight the spider to get loot. And do as many quests as many you can. Oh, I've already killed like everything. Oh my god. Mr. Friend, I see someone with the best sprinkler. It's the best sprinkler. It's the Supreme Saturator thing. That thing's like impossible to get. That's crazy. I'll just plant some sprinklers to help saturate the garden. Wow. Oh, and if you see like a spike in the field, that means vicious bee, and you want to kill as many vicious bees, and you can turn them in over there. To get. Vicious bees spikes only come up at night. Yeah, vicious bee spikes only come up at night once every 3 nights. That's a regular timing usually. Yeah, regular timing. And if you ever see like a bee or something inside of a cloud just spinning, then like jump at it. Like go like this to it. Because that's a windy bee, and if you get it to high enough level and defeat it enough times before the timer runs out, then you have a chance of getting a windy bee, and that's a really good bee. So you would want that. Like you really want one of those. Yawn. I just yawned. I'm filming at like 10 o'clock Canada time or whatever time. 10 o'clock. 10:07 in the morning, not at night. Well, still, at night it would be even worse, probably. So, what else should we talk about for this video? Um, Probably not use this much. I always use the 6 tickets to make a world jelly. Don't just, that's a bit of a waste. Uh, sh- uh, Oh, look, it's a basic bee. I haven't had one of those in my hive for so long. So long. But I will never probably have one in my hive. Mr. Friend is here. The Supremium Saturator. Someone stole it. Supremium. Someone has like someone's hive is like everything's level 10 and they have like one level 11. What? And everything's gifted but like one cobalt bee and that's it. Everything else, oh, their crimson and cobalt bee and one of the baby bees is like not is not gifted, but everything else same as the tadpole bee and puppy bee, but everything else is like gifted. Like what? That's so crazy. It's a mostly gifted hive. It's right next to my hive. And if you wanna find me on Roblox, that's my name. Bees, my bees. That's my name. If you ever wanna, for some reason, friend me on Roblox. Ah, pulling my microphone off. So, some more. I've kind of ran out of tips and tricks a bit, so it's kind of weird. But you should do like these quests. Try to feed your bees much and get them to high levels so you can kill the higher level things, definitely. Like this. Oh, he loves pineapples. Do you like sunflower seeds? Ah, you don't. Do you like treats? Ah, you do. Kind of. Strawberry. Strawberries should go to you, Mr. Ragey. Blueberries should go to you, Mr. Cobalt. Nice. God, I'm a yawner. Oh, why am I using the red cannon? That's way over 5B zone. That brings me to the 30B zone. Oh, whoops. Yeah, I just got teleported back because I don't have 35 Bs. Or I don't even have actually 30 Bs. I'm serious. I don't. Why do I keep doing this? Ooh, I just want to listen to some music. This is good music. I like it. It's in the ant challenge zone. Okay, that's the music. I don't know. Should we end the video? Oh, I remember when I used to use that thing in my first videos, the pulsar thing. I don't use it at all anymore. I use the golden rake, which is from the 25B zone. Up there, the pro shop. 20 million honey. And the porcelain dipper is like 125 million or something. Let me go check for some reason. I just want to know. And yeah, there's a royal jelly on top of there, but I've already gotten like this. I've gotten this. I've gotten this. I've gotten this. I can't. 150 million honey and 250 million honey. That's way too much. I don't think I'll ever get the porcelain dipper. maybe eventually. But I've gotten this. I need more hive slots. One more to go to 30B zone. And I've gotten that, but I'm saving up for this now, I guess. Wait, I'm saving up for my hive slot. And then I'll save up for spark staff. Collect 3 tallest nearby flowers in 0.6 seconds. Quickest. So, does it mean like a full stack? Like, also, like everything like that? I guess it does. But this is Bee Swarm. Oh, and if you somehow get like a cannon, you can get on top of that. It's hard because it's like a small target. Oh, I just popped out of the tunnel. And look how much I need a basic bee egg. It's so much. I'm never gonna be able to do that. Oh, look, it's a shocked bee, a lion bee, a baby bee, a shy bee, a rage bee, a no bee, a honey spencer. Okay, so what do you what do you what do you think, Mr. Friend? Should we end the video? Cause it says 60 minutes. Do we have any more codes to give out? No, I have no idea. Well, I do have the Bee Swarm Twitter, but they haven't really given out any codes. Other than Brown Bear Reboot and 5M members. Yeah, 5M members and Brown Bear Reboot, but we covered that in the last video. Yeah. But I'm gonna end the video here, and I'm gonna get in my special spot where I end all Bee Swarm videos from now on. Oh, I wrecked it, and now I need to go back down. I want this video done by 20 minutes. This is perfect. I'm almost. There we go. So, this is the end. Bye, guys. Please leave a like and subscribe, I guess. Yeah. Please leave a like and subscribe. And tell your friends, please. Any more subscribers? Okay. All I need is like 1,000. 1,000 will do like a 1 hour video, and maybe 100,000, maybe a live stream. Bye. See you next video. Please subscribe, leave a like, tell your friends. Bye.